Hello, writers. Here we are at part 8 of our journey. Today we're going to cover self-editing your story. You finished writing your first draft. So what do you do now? Take a break. When you return, you'll be returning with fresh eyes. Big picture first. Check for plot holes, pacing, character arcs, and theme consistency. Outline scenes to spot weaknesses. Next step, refine your writing. Simplify sentences, use specific words, avoid cliches, and read aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Show, don't tell. Replace telling with vivid actions, dialogue, and sensory details. Cut what's unnecessary. Remove redundant scenes, descriptions, or subplots. Trim your word count by 10%. Proofread your work carefully. Correct your grammar, spelling, and punctuation manually. Don't rely solely on software tools. Get fresh perspectives. Read along with a text-to-speech tool for new insights. This will help catch what needs to be changed. Seek feedback from others. Share your story with beta readers and consider their suggestions. Repeat these steps as needed. Effective editing requires multiple rounds. Don't rush it. Stories typically go through 5 to 10 rounds, including self-edits, critiques, professional edits if you desire, beta reading, and the final proof reading. It's a journey, but each pass polishes your story further. In 2 weeks, we'll be covering formatting for Amazon KDP in part 9 of this series. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at 4ewriters@gmail.com. In the subject line, please put in Newbie Writers Workshop. Thank you.